Have you ever checked your payslip and noticed money missing, with no warning and no explanation? If that has ever happened to you, this video is especially for you. Today we're breaking it down clearly, deductions from your paycheck in Jamaica. What's legal, what's not, and when your employer must get your permission or give proper notice. An employer cannot deduct money from your wages without lawful authority, your agreement, or proper notice. That is the foundation of wage protection in Jamaica. Let's look at the deductions that are automatically legal. These deductions do not require your permission because they are required by law. PAYE income tax, NIS, NHT, education tax. These deductions are known as statutory deductions and they are legally required. Now let's examine deductions that require your permission or prior notice. Any deduction that is not required by law must meet at least one of these conditions. 1. Agreement. Or 2. Proper notice. This includes deductions for health insurance, pension contributions, loan or credit union repayments, uniforms or equipment, damage or breakage, cash shortages. These deductions must be clearly explained, agreed to in writing, or properly communicated before the deduction is made. Surprise deductions are not acceptable. Next, we will talk about what employers cannot do. If there is no warning, no agreement, then there should be no deduction. Employers cannot deduct money as punishment, dock pay for mistakes without notice, deduct for losses without agreement, or take money without explaining why. Employers should use proper disciplinary procedures, not your paycheck. Proper notice means you are informed in advance. You understand the reason for the deduction. You are told how much will be deducted. You are told when the deduction will happen. Notice means time to question or object. Every payslip should clearly show your gross pay, each deduction listed separately, the reason for each deduction, and your net pay. If a deduction appears without explanation, you have the right to challenge it. If money was deducted and you did not agree and you were not given proper notice, then you should 1. Ask for a written explanation. 2. Check your contract or policies. 3. Keep all payslips and messages. 4. Contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. You do not need a lawyer to make a complaint. Your wages are protected. If a deduction is not required by law, it must be agreed to or properly notified. Anything else can be questioned and reported. If this video helped you understand your payslip better, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers know how to protect their pay. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.